Welcome to this technical guide on the HP OMEN 15AX. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP OMEN 15AX won't turn on, it could be due to a faulty power supply or motherboard issue. This can happen for several reasons, such as power surges or component failures. If left unrepaired, it may lead to further damage and could even result in permanent data loss. To successfully carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power jack or motherboard, depending on the diagnosis. First, ensure you power off the device and disconnect it from any power source. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the HP OMEN 15AX, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back cover is off, look for the power jack or motherboard, which is usually located near the battery compartment. You may need to remove the battery first, which is secured with Phillips screws. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the power jack or motherboard. If you notice any burnt components or broken connections, it's likely the source of the problem. To replace it, remove the screws securing the power jack or motherboard and carefully lift it out. When installing the new component, make sure to align it correctly and secure it with the screws, applying gentle but firm pressure. Ensure all cables are reconnected in their original positions. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is in place, replace the back cover and ensure it clicks securely. Power on the device to verify that it's working correctly. If it turns on, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from arising again, ensure you use a surge protector and avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures or humidity. Regular maintenance checks can help catch potential issues before they become serious problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.